So I got this little Hermes baby typing again. She needed a new carriage drawband and quite a bit of love there on the keys to get them to move. I cleaned them up. They were making really crappy impressions because there was like so much crap stuck to them. So got this cleaned up. You can see it's making pretty decent impressions now. Keys are working. It's kind of dirty. You know, it's 1936, so this thing is 90 years old. I'm gonna go ahead and clean it because it seemed a shame not to. And then wipe her down on the outside as well and get her back to her owner. I'm not gonna charge for that because it needs to be done. This is a cool old machine. Anyway, happy typing, y'all.